I am doing a video today of my removable push bumper. So the push bumper I already had, it was sitting around for years and I made use of it. And what I did was I took a pile of old Fisher plows that were probably 30, 40 years old, and I cut up about 7 different plows to get the parts I needed. Now I'll start here. Now, if you look, this is the original beam I started with. And I cut it here, so it kind of lined up. I mean, I had to keep cutting it, so kind of taking the push bumper on and off, on and off. So cut it here, and so the original beam from one end to the other end was not long enough, of course, for the brackets to the original push bumper that are right here. So I took another beam and I added to the first beam from end to end. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to make it look like all Fisher. So here's the original Fisher cuts. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to cap it. So I kind of made it look like the same thing, Fisher. All right. And it also gave me a place that I can tuck a light in. I had to cut the back of the light to get it to fit, but I wanted to fit it more flush so it's more protected and not sticking out. Okay, so one beam, 2 beams, and what I did was I welded on a trailer hitch receiver so I can use a slide-in winch. And then I have my quick connects that I can tuck in here, there when I need them. And I have my slide-in winch on a tray with the quick connect. Works out well. So I use that for power lines, trails, or what have you, where you can't take a tow truck or you don't want to take a tow truck. Or maybe somebody's backyard where the pickup truck's a little lighter, being a 1500. It does well. So what I wanted to do, let me show you the lights really quick. I got the bottom lights on the factory switch, and I got toggle switches. So they came with strobes, but that gives me a higher spotlights for what have you out in the woods, trails, backyard. And the lower lights work great for when you are out in the trails. And so let me shut those off. All right, so as you can see, the thickness of this push bumper, just don't make them like that anymore. So what I did was, let me just put this down here, and I can disconnect the lights right here, and that's it. So that's all I have to do on the lights. Just some nice plugs from AutoZone, and I spray them down. I spray them down with the connection spray, electric connection spray, grease, or what have you. So, all right, so what I do is to remove the push bumper, and as I do this, you're going to see more of what I did. It'll kind of explain itself. So I try to make this as originally Fisher as possible, using all Fisher parts. All right. Now, some of you may recognize this. This is a yes, it's from a ratchet strap. Okay. So what I want to do is let's pull those pins out.